And if we are reading this book, I don't want to name that person, he has recently passed away. He was a person who has built many educational institutes for the Muslim community in Hyderabad. I don't want to take his name because those who understand being in Hyderabad know him. Those who are going to watch this video internationally, I do not want to name him. May Allah have maghfirat upon him. But this person is said to have said to a lot of people, no, if I read the Quran, I don't read with meaning, because if I read it with meaning, I have to act upon it. So I don't want to act. If I don't understand it, Allah will forgive me. So there are many Muslims who speak this way. They say, let us not read Quran and Hadith with meaning, because if we start to understand Quran and Hadith, you will be in a problem if you don't act upon it. These people are not realizing, if you are saying, I don't want to read it with a meaning because I need to act upon it, meaning you have the knowledge that you need to read it with understanding because you need to act upon it. And what is the fifth question on Day of Judgment? What did you do with the knowledge that you have? You had the knowledge, you need to read it with understanding, then why didn't you read it with understanding? You had the knowledge, while reading with understanding, you need to act upon it. Why didn't you do that? We are not using this book, brother. Wallah, I am telling you, we are not using this book. Today, all the Muslim representatives, Muslim leaders, they are fighting for the cause of the Muslims. None of us today, hardly we find anybody fighting for the cause of Islam. When I say fighting, I don't mean with AK-47s. I mean striving. We are all striving. We are saying for the Muslims, for the Muslims, for the Muslims. No, Allah didn't create Muslims for their selfish purposes. Allah said, I created you a Muslim so that you give sacrifice for this cause. We are sacrificing Islam for the benefit of the community. We don't mind taking loans on interest. We don't mind working anywhere even if it is haram. Why? Because we are in our contemporary times, we are helpless. No, you are not helpless. With Quran as the book to guide you and motivate you, with Muhammad Rasulullah and as our hero in our lives, we cannot say we are helpless, we don't have anybody to guide us. Wallah, you are a liar, we are liars. This is the motivating book.